Everyone wants to know how to get the most out of their money by knowing ways to get the best tarot card reading possible. And tarot cards are a great way to do this. Today, we're going to go over 9 tips to get the best tarot card reading possible. Make sure you stay until the end so you get all the tips. So, tarot cards have been around for centuries. They were used by mystics and gypsies to tell the future of people back in the day. Some tarot card readers say they actually help them read minds, but there's no way to prove that stuff. But tarot reading is a great way to get a glimpse at your future without having to spend money on fortune tellers. It could save you thousands of dollars over your lifetime. Number 9. Learn a bit about tarot. One of the first things you should do is familiarize yourself with tarot a bit. Knowing a little bit about what tarot is will help you ask better questions. You don't have to be an expert on tarot, but it definitely helps if you understand the symbolism behind the cards. Tarot card readers are known for being able to answer yes or no questions. You can always get one of your friends to ask something simple like that to get the ball rolling. Ask any tarot card reader if they know how to read tarot cards, and you're sure to get your answer. Know a bit about tarot before you sit down for your tarot card reading. It'll help the tarot card reader do their job better. Number 8, know what you want to ask. This is where that tarot information will come in handy. You'll be able to ask more of the right kinds of questions like, how am I going to meet my soulmate? Or even, what should I do with my life? Whatever it is you want an answer to specifically, go for it. Having an idea of the kind of tarot reading you want will make it easier on everyone. You'll get better results because a tarot reader won't have to try and figure out what you're looking for, while at the same time giving you an idea of what your future holds. A tarot reading can be confusing if you don't know what to expect, so have an idea of what you want to ask before you go in. That'll help make things a lot easier for everyone. Tarot readings can be expensive, so it's important to get the most out of them. Number 7, every reader is different. Choose someone who you connect with. Every tarot reader is different. Some tarot card readers may have a hard time connecting with you, while others may be too negative for your liking, even though they're 100% accurate. It's important to find someone that you connect with and who gives you what you want from a tarot reading, because sometimes, no matter how good the tarot reader is, it's just not going to click between the two of you. You don't have to go to the same tarot card reader every time you want a reading, so feel free to switch it up if it's not working out for you. Some tarot readers will ask you questions about your reading, while others may just dive right in. Either way, some tarot card readers aren't going to want any information about you until they're ready to share some of their own wisdom. So make sure you feel like you can ask them questions if necessary. Tarot card readers are known for giving great advice because tarot readings give insights into your life. So keep a notebook nearby because tarot readings may reveal things about your life that could be important in the future. Number 6. Respect your tarot reader. Just like any other professional, tarot card readers deserve your respect. They're people too, and they have feelings. If you act rude or unprofessional, they may end up giving you a reading that isn't as accurate as it could be. It's important to be respectful and courteous during your tarot reading. Remember, you're paying them for their time. It's important to be polite and treat tarot readers the way you would want to be treated. After all, they're people too. Tarot readings are a great way to gain insight into your future. By following these simple tips, you can make sure to get the most out of your tarot reading and get the answers you're looking for. Number 5, use an open-ended inquiry to begin the conversation. One of the biggest mistakes you can make is not asking specific questions. Tarot card readers need context to work with, so be sure to ask open-ended questions that allow them to give you a detailed tarot reading from the get-go. For example, where am I going? Isn't as good as, how far will I go in my career this year? Remember, tarot readers are people too, and they want to help you. The more specific your questions, the better the reading will be for both of you. Keep in mind that tarot readings are subjective, and no tarot reader can tell you what will happen 100% of the time. Tarot readers deal in possibilities and probabilities, so they don't always get it right the first time. Tarot card readers won't be able to give you everything, but they'll do their best to help you along the way. When getting a tarot reading, try not to get upset if something bad happens or doesn't happen, because there's a chance that nothing could have gone differently even if you got a different tarot card reader. So keep an open mind and remember that while tarot is serious business, it's also supposed to be fun. Number 4, don't be afraid of tarot card readings. I get it. Tarot card readings can be scary, but if you let yourself get wrapped up in the fear before the tarot reading even begins, how will you ever learn what your future holds? You should embrace tarot reading so you can see what's coming down the road and do something about it. The best way to get good at anything is by practicing. So don't hold back when asking for tarot card readings. Remember, tarot readings don't have to be scary. In fact, they can be a lot of fun. Tarot readings are all about possibilities, so don't be afraid of the future. Tarot card readers will do their best to give everyone a great reading. Tarot card readings can be a lot of fun and very helpful in learning about your future. Just remember to be respectful and ask specific questions to get the most out of your reading. Remember, tarot card readings can't tell you everything, but they'll do their best to get things right. Number 3, tell the truth. Tarot card readings are only as good as the information you give. If you're not honest with yourself or with your tarot reader, you're not going to get the most out of your reading. Tarot readers can usually tell when someone is hiding something, so be sure to come clean before your reading begins. Tarot card readings are a great way to get some insight into your life, but that can only happen if you're truthful with your tarot reader. Tarot readers are people too, and they want to help you the best way they can. Honesty is the key to getting the most out. It's important to be truthful with tarot readers so they can give you an accurate reading. Plus, there really isn't any reason to not tell your reader the truth. You would only be hurting yourself by giving false information, thus resulting in an inaccurate reading. Honesty is the best policy, especially when it comes to tarot readings. Tarot readers can usually tell when someone is hiding something, so be sure to keep that in mind. Number 2, don't drink or eat before your tarot reading. This is a big one. I cannot tell you how many times I've had people come in for tarot readings after having dinner or drinks. Not only is it rude to the tarot reader, but it's also unprofessional and can really affect how your reading comes out. Tarot card readings are already intense as it is, so don't make it harder on yourself by drinking or eating beforehand. Save those kinds of things for after your tarot card reading. It's important to be sober when getting tarot readings because you want to be in the best state of mind possible. Remember, tarot readings should be treated as a professional session, so just don't do it. You'll thank yourself later. Number 1, relax and be open to what the tarot reader has to say. This is perhaps the most important thing of all when it comes to tarot readings. Be open to what the tarot reader has to say. Tarot readings are only as good as the information you give, and if you're not willing to listen, you're not going to get very far. Tarot readers are intuitive people and they will often pick up on things that you may not have realized yourself. It's important to relax, take a deep breath, and let the tarot reader do their job. Tarot readings may be a lot of fun and an excellent method to learn more about yourself. Just remember to take it easy and be receptive. Tarot readers are there to help you, so be sure to take their advice and run with it. That's it. These are 9 essential tips to get the best tarot reading possible. Follow these tips and you'll be on your way to a more enlightening tarot reading experience. Happy reading! Do you have any other tips to add? Let us know in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Consider subscribing and turning on notifications so you don't miss more videos on astrology and much more. Check out this video, 9 best tarot cards to get in a reading. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.